So with the diagonal cases, what you have to keep in mind is when pieces move and when they don't. So for this case, for example, these two corners aren't affected by the first move and only by the second move. So for tracing the corners, you only have to look at this. So if this doesn't move, you only have to trace it one move to here. So that is quite easy. And then for the centers, you can see that when these two move over here, they aren't affected by the second move. So if you know tree center recognition, what you can do is you see these two move to here, they stay here, and this one isn't affected by the first move, so this one is only affected by the second move. So what you can do is one look this, then this to here, and then you know these three centers, and that should be enough to recognize the case. So it's basically like tracing these two centers for one move, tracing this center for one move, and tracing these two centers for one move. So it's basically like doing a couple of one move traces, which is not that hard. And for this one, it's very similar. So these corners again aren't affected by the first move and only by the second move. So you only have to trace these two for one move. And here again, these two, they are pushed to here, and then they aren't affected by the second move, and this one isn't affected by the second move, and this one as well, and only by this one aren't affected by the first move, but only by the second move. So you have to trace these two one move, and then these two one move. Then you actually have like 4 centers that you can use, because you also have the U center. So then you know these 4 centers, and that should be enough to one look.